Good morning, guys. Today is 13th of July, and today is Tuesday. And owing to global sentiments, we have had a pretty good gap up. I mean, who would have imagined after this bigger fall yesterday, you'd be opening above yesterday's high? And yeah, guys, that's market for you. And yeah, so I took a 35,500 straddle when the market was at 35,400. I was expecting the markets to recover from here. यहाँ से मार्केट रिकवर होना चाहिए था एंड इट फॉर्म्ड काइंड ऑफ अ पिन बार but then suddenly it gave a quick down move and took my 35,500 का put stop loss which was at 270. वहां पे भी मतलब 2.5 रुपीज का स्लिपेज दे के ही मतलब ले लिया and now it has completely cooled off. I would have made like 30 points as is, so but took a 1.9k, took a 2k loss in this quick loss. तो ऑर्डर मैंने एग्जीक्यूट किया था 916 पे, 919 पे ऑलरेडी मेरा स्टॉप लॉस ट्रिगर हो गया था एंड आई थिंक द मिस्टेक इज माइन. यूजुअली मैं जब स्ट्रैडल्स खेलता हूँ आई वुड बी ट्रेडिंग, आई मीन आई वुड बी प्लेसिंग द स्टॉप लॉस मच फादर देन व्हाट आई प्लेस टुडे. बट आज मैंने ऐसे क्यों प्लेस किया था? दिस वॉज जस्ट अबाउ द डेज हाई. अगर मार्केट नीचे की तरफ ब्रेकडाउन हो जाता है और प्रॉफिट बुकिंग अगर आ जाती है देन आई डिडंट वांट टू स्टे इन द ट्रेड and that was all the reason that I kept the stop loss a bit way too close and I think I paid the price. I think the mistake is purely mine here. So यहाँ पे रखा था मैंने stop loss 270 पे, just above the day's high. 280 तक stop loss, सबका stop losses trigger करके now again it has collapsed to 230. So अभी सीन कैसा है? Look at this. The puts have decayed immensely. मतलब इतना ज्यादा डीके हो चुका है. The market's at 15,750. A 100 point far away call option 15,850 call is trading at 27 and a 100 point OTM put option which is 15,650 is trading at 22. It's like it's one of the instances, it's one of the rare occurrences where the calls are trading at a much higher premium than the puts. What happens if we start continuing lower is these calls, they might give up some of their value, but the kind of expansion that we might see in these puts, it's gonna be a bit disastrous if we start cascading down. Even if you have like a 20-30 point down move from here, let's say even if we come down to like 15,740 or 15,730, these 15,650 puts would be expanding to somewhere around 30. तो इतना तो हो ही जाता है. So that's why like I'll wait for some more time before taking any positions. तो अभी फिलहाल के लिए तो I'm not much interested because these put values there's nothing much left in the put values and there's a high probability that if we make a down move these puts will start expanding. And at the same time and यहाँ पे जो मेरे को premium behavior दिख रही है that clearly indicates that if at all we start heading higher, more than the puts that could decay, these calls will again spike up in value. That's what the premium behavior is saying. Like even a small uptick is expanding these calls and any down move is not actually getting these calls to decay. All right, the time is 10:27 and still I have not initiated any positions intraday basis. That is because neither the call side IV is cooling down nor the put side IV is cooling down, because the put side IV it got cooled down in the very first tick. पहले टिक पे ही पूरा पुट ऑप्शन का जो प्राइस था वो सब गिर गया है. Now the only way is for the call side IVs to cool down. So I was just calculating, even if you had entered the position at let's say 916 को अगर position enter करते तो भी you would have got maximum 1 rupee decay, 1 point decay ही मिलता अभी तक. So that's why the premium behavior is not so convincing for me to take any positions. Alright, as I said, मैंने यहाँ पे कुछ positions लिया नहीं है. जो भी किया है इस स्ट्रेटेजी को एडजस्ट करने के लिए किया है बस. एंड इसमें यहाँ पे जो 1,000 रुपीज दिख रहा है, लाइक डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट, इट्स जस्ट द एडजस्टमेंट का जो प्रॉफिट आ रहा है वो है. सो एक्चुअली आई डिडंट टेक एनी निफ्टी पोजीशंस टुडे. एंड बैंक निफ्टी में भी जैसे मेरा पहला स्टॉप लॉस हिट हो गया, आई थॉट कि बिकॉज what I did by moving my stop loss so close was a mistake. Okay, I'll accept that. तो अगर मैंने पहले एक बार मिस्टेक कर लेता हूं, सो दैट विल सेट माई साइकोलॉजी ऑन अ वेरी बैड स्टेट. तो उसके बाद मैं जो भी करने जाऊंगा, तो मोस्ट प्रोबेबली इट, I don't know, like I don't think I'd have a good outcome from that. So that's why उसके बाद में I'm just relaxing today and just observing the markets. If you remember, I said कि if the market starts moving higher, these puts won't decay because they have already been decayed on the first tick. पहले tick में उसका already value खत्म हो चुका था और ज्यादा decay नहीं होने वाला है. And at the same time, these calls will spike up so much because a lot of people would have shorted the calls aggressively and हर एक uptick उनको डराता रहेगा, and because of which when they start to cover, these calls will spike up. Usually क्या हो जाता है, whenever the market has a threat of breaking towards the upside, that too after a rebound, यहाँ पे जो है ये rebound था because इस फॉल में काफी ज्यादा शॉर्ट्स बिल्टअप हो जाता है and suddenly the market gaps up the next day and then it is again threatening all the call writers. यहां पे क्या हो जाता है, the IBs of the puts will cool off at the moment we start gapping up, and after that what happens is it's all about the call side expansion. So that's why today was not at all favorable to trade in terms of risk and reward. And यहाँ पे भी मतलब मैंने एक छोटा मोटा ट्रेड लिया था. I could have done well, but because of my mistake I took a loss in this. But okay, क्या 2000 का तो लॉस है. I would be more than happy to take that loss any given day, any point of time. I'll see you guys tomorrow, Wednesday. थोड़ा बहुत रिस्क रिवॉर्ड हमारा फेवर में रहेगा, but again with these kinds of moves, nothing can be taken for granted, and we'll take tomorrow as a fresh day. I'll see you guys tomorrow.